stock is best. For the Grenadier, that's only half true. Its retro mechanical vibe is perfect, but there's definitely room to level up the visual impact. I'm DSG. Today, we are checking out the dry carbon fiber Widebody kit by Plomor, designed specifically for the Grenadier. The one I have here is a 3D printed prototype for fitment testing, but I couldn't wait to show you the design logic behind it. Even though this prototype is plastic, the final product will be high-quality dry carbon fiber. Here's a quick breakdown. Dry carbon is on a whole different level compared to wet carbon. It has much less resin, and here's why that matters. First, it's super light. The final carbon piece is much lighter. It makes installation easy and keeps the weight down. Second, it's tough. It won't warp or yellow in the sun. Third, the finish. Dry carbon has a premier finish that plastic can't match. Most people hate major surgery when installing a Widebody kit. Most options out there force you to remove the factory corner pieces or replace the whole set. At Plomor, our philosophy is always OE+. We design those flares to work with your car, not against it. You don't need to replace the factory corners at all. We use precision 3D scanning to make sure the flares flow perfectly with the original body lines. It looks so seamless, people will think it came that way from the factory. The stock specs. We added 35mm to the front and 48mm to the rear. What's the difference? The Grenadier's body line naturally tucks inward. This 30mm offset fixes that, giving the truck a more aggressive planted stance, like a beast ready to pounce. The best part is 100% bottom, non-destructive install. We replicated the factory clip structure, so there's no glue and no drilling required. I won't show the full install today, but it's basically a live press and click. It's also just as easy to take off if you ever want to go back to store. Once you put on those larger off-road tires, this kit really shines. It covers the tread to protect your paint from the rocks and mud, and it fills the visual gap between the wet tires and the body. Pair this with our bullet hole side steps, and the whole build looks incredibly cohesive. That's the Plomor dry carbon kit for the Grenadier. Premier materials and perfect fit. If you are all about quality, this is the one for you. Theirs are now in mass production and available at plomor.com. Plus, you can get 10% off your first order. If you have any questions about modding your Grenadier, let me know in the comments. I'm DHG, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.